Every speaker can be used as a microphone by reversing its polarity and using it to capture sound waves instead of playing them back. This is possible because the basic construction of a speaker and a microphone is very similar. Both consist of a diaphragm that is moved by sound waves, which generates an electrical signal that can be processed by an amplifier or other audio equipment. Going back to the ELVIS project, I made a small change and turned it into a low-frequency amplifier. The result exceeded any expectations. The sensitivity of the speaker was higher than my portable Zoom studio. During testing, it turned out to clearly hear a normal, not loud conversation, at a distance of up to 12 meters.
Okay, now sound is recording through the Zoom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Test recording. 1, 2, 3. The low frequency amplifier is testing now.
Thank you for watching this video and interest in my developments. I would also be grateful if you support this resource.